question.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Most gurus will tell you making money online is easy because they want to sell you something. It's not that. It's easy because it's fucking easy. Go own a restaurant. Like, go do that. Go deal with some bartender coming in 2 hours late to open it and telling you, oh, my boyfriend got mad at me and he threw stuff, and then the cops called. Get a better boyfriend. I don't give a shit. Open the store. Okay. Like, and then you got to deal with that over and over and over and over and over. And then you tell me when your friggin' webinar doesn't convert, or you don't make money on your first email, that you're in pain, that life's tough. It's not tough. You just have no tolerance for pain. So here's how you solve it. Here's how you create the tolerance, because you will never be able to succeed unless your tolerance for pain is high. Okay. Here's what you do. You inject pain into your life slowly and artificially, meaning you get up at 5 a.m. Why? Because it's painful to get up at 5 a.m. You stop eating sugar. You stop eating crap. Why? Because it's painful to eat good. I don't care if you need to lose weight or not. Do it anyway. You go to the gym every day. Why? Because it's painful. Okay. You read books every day. Why? Because it's painful. You get rid of your bullshit friends that are go-go dancers, strippers, and idiots who don't want to friggin' level up. And you don't do, oh, well, you know what? It's a time. No. Low quality people are low quality people. Okay. Because they've made low quality choices, period. And if you hang around them, if you hang around bullshit friends, you will be bullshit. Period. Okay. And so that's a painful thing. Well, this friend was with me when I went through my hardest time. Yeah, that's what a friend's supposed to do. That's the minimum standard for a friend. Doesn't make him a good friend. It just makes him get in the door. So you get rid of people in your life who are dragging you down and not pulling you up, who are not supporting you, who are saying, oh man, don't do that. Come out and drink with us. Oh man, don't do that. Oh, big boss man now. Oh yeah. No, those are not your friends. Those are people who receive dopamine from you. That's it. That is painful. So if you don't have a painful life, make it painful. Bullshit, okay? There's enough bullshit. So why do you need me to give you bullshit?
Exactly.
Right?
That's why it resonates so much.
Go sip crumpets and tea and all this and learn how to make money with all these heart and soul people. Or you know, when you're done with that and it doesn't work and you're done being pampered, have somebody who's gone through the trenches, who knows what it's like, give you the real, because reality is reality. Facts don't care about your feelings, right? If you're like, look, same thing in the fitness industry. Okay. If you're fat, it's because you eat like shit and you don't work out. The end. That is the reality. Every offer, every weight loss program, every workout program is simply some version of that, designed to trick you into eating better and getting off your ass and working out. At the end of the day, eat better and work out and you will lose weight. The end. But because people don't want to do that because it's hard, they have to package it in a way that makes it sound like something else. But see, when you achieve $1 million mindset and not a mediocre one, you don't need all that stuff. You just do the thing that is required to do because you become the person that deserves it. And the person that deserves it just does it. They just do what's needed to be done to make it happen.
I think a girl did 200K in 2 months, like crazy, like literally more money than we made. It's insane with not showing your face. Now, with that being said, not everyone has the exact same results, but it's just insane that that's even possible. And I think this is why it's always so important in any industry to have new people join that have never touched it before, because they have a new perspective, they have a new view, and sometimes they try different things and it just works. Because coming from our background of being marketers for years, you would never think that somebody could succeed without showing their face. Like, that just was not fathomable. That's like, okay, you want lunch money, you can maybe do that, but if you want real money, you can't do that. And you know, we've been proven wrong by, again, new people joining the industry and trying new things. And that's the beauty of it, because they don't have that kind of, what's it called?
They're not jaded with all of this different information from the past. It's like they're brand new, like babies coming into the marketing space, and they're like, I'm going to try faces. And they do it, and bam.
Yeah, they got fresh perspective and stuff. So yeah, and you still need to stand out. It's not just faceless, because there's many people that are also stuck at no followers. You still need to have a brand. At the end of the day, the brand is the core of why people follow you. And whether you show your face or don't show your face, there's still a brand behind it. So you still have to be smart with your branding. It's just an opportunity for people who have specific circumstances or preferences where they don't want to show their face.
You're absolutely right. You don't want to be pushing a bunch of different random programs. Without going super deep into this, the whole goal of building an email list is like we're not leading with the actual product. You want to lead with the lead magnet. You want to lead with something for free. And that's kind of what we've built here. And I'll show you why it works really well. For me, I always focus on how can I get someone to my email list? I want to lead with that lead magnet, get them on my list, but then I don't just send them offer after offer after offer. What we've done actually, guys, is, it sends them to offer number one, but then we have an email that goes to a YouTube video, which you still get the credit, by the way, guys, when it sends to the YouTube videos. And but then it goes through a value email with no links. And then after like a whole week, it sends to offer number two. And it just kind of goes through that sequence. So it's actually really, really unique as far as like how we're setting up the email sequence. I really talk about it like a lot on my YouTube channel if you really want to dive deep into it. But essentially, I'm not just throwing offer, 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 offer. I'm going with offer, story, value, YouTube video, then offer. So you want to lead with value. So that's the kind of the quick version of it. I can go really, really deep into it, but I hope that kind of gives you like a high level overview of why that works so well.
Still to this day, there's a stigma around this industry in a negative connotation. I hate that.
Yeah.
But what I love about this is that you literally can help people, and that's your job. The more people you can help, the more you can make. And that's really what it is. So you're telling me if you sell more high ticket and you sell programs to people, obviously you're going to make more money that's actually helping people. Well, oddly enough, and this is a huge thing too, is we all know that when people buy programs, it doesn't matter, even if it's a high ticket coaching program, that the success rate is low. And the reason is people haven't become who they need to be. That information, that coaching, it could be and would be key if they take action on it and did the thing, but they're not there on who they are. First of all, if it has proven record, other people are doing it and it's working, there's no reason it can't work for you. Are you the person that you need to be to make it work for you? And a lot of times the answer is no.
Because everybody that's watching this right here want everything. Right? They want the fastest cars. They want the biggest yachts. They want the private jets. They want all of that. But people are so scared to share with the world what they actually feel like. I'm confident with $3,000 or $4,000 a month. Just if I can quit my job. No, you're not. Be honest with yourself. You want to make $100K a month at least. And you know what? I found out when making all of this money here, you are not comfortable with $100K a month, right? Because then you think bigger and be like, okay, I can make $100K a month. Then I can make $200K a month. Imagine what I can buy with $200K a month, right? Imagine all of the people that I can help that are missing, because many people are going out there. They want to help all of these people. They can't help anyone, not even themselves, if they don't have money. So you need money if you want to help more people, including yourself. I have big goals, man, and I have big dreams. There is one of my mentors. He told me that don't tell people your dreams and goals. Go show them.
I've been an affiliate marketer since 2013, probably, with lots of different companies and brands and stuff. So in being an affiliate manager is tough because you got to make sure that the brand appeals to every affiliate. Not every affiliate's the same. They're very different. They look different. They act different by different things. So me as the affiliate manager, I would be investigator in everyone's lives, right? Follow everyone on Facebook, Instagram, and all the things and see, okay, what is so-and-so like? Okay, let's send them a gift. Or what is so-and-so like? How are we going to motivate them to win this contest so that they can benefit and so that we can benefit and so that we can work with them later? And you have thousands of affiliates. In ClickFunnels system, I think there was so many people that applied to be an affiliate. It was hard to even remember everybody, but we did our best. The best ones were the ones that continued to promote, month after month, year after year. That's tough because it's hard for them to continue to appeal to the audience. And, ClickFunnels was one software and we were doing a lot of things, but it's hard to be able to keep that appealing.